Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a new Scout 195 Sport Dorado that just arrived to us. This boat is sold. It was custom ordered several months ago, and it has finally arrived. But if you'd like to come by and see this boat before it delivers, you can come by our store at 142 Sportsman's Island Drive. Take exit 23A off Highway 526. There's a big yellow building right off the highway. Give us a call at 843-747-1889, and you can check out photos of this boat online at MarineMax.com. But for now, we'll take you through a walkthrough. This is the midnight blue hull color with the white bottom. Yamaha 150 XB motor, rather. That's with the mechanical throttle and shift. Swim ladder on the port side with the swim step. We do have the integrated ski tow that's tied into the backrest of the optional center stern seat. So both of these options are checkable boxes if you wanted to build one. The boat comes standard with these rear seats with the combing bolsters that carry further forward. There's storage beneath both of those, and a live well beneath the port side aft. Now these seats were actually custom requests. The standard seats that come are the same as shown on the 175 Sport Dorado. These larger seats with the fiberglass back are what you typically see on the 215 and 240 Dorados, but they can be done on the 195 as a special request. We have a 9-inch Garmin that was factory installed, digital gauges from Yamaha for our tack. We have trim tabs with the LED indicators. Battery switch is conveniently located. Stereo with JL audio upgraded speakers. Lockable glove box on the port side. You see we do have a Bimini top to shade the cockpit. The bow on this boat is really comfortable and accommodating. Large bow cushion here. You can do optional backrests that plug in just forward of those cup holders. This customer did not select that. We have an optional trolling motor plug, factory installed, so the wiring is already in place. A bow rail, additional cup holders and rod holders further forward. Anchor locker is housed here. Beneath these chase lounges, you have storage in the seat and behind the backrest as well. This Scout 195 Sport Dorado is a very versatile boat, great for family, great for fishing. If you have any interest in this model or any of our others, give us a call at 843-747-1889, and always check us out online at MarineMax.com. Again, this is Carl Anderson, and thanks for watching.